This is our model Beth, and today we're going to do a variation of a burst fade using a scissor no comb technique. Starting on the roundness of the head, I'm taking a horizontal section and I'm cutting a length that slightly decreases towards the front hairline. And then continuing taking parallel sections and combing each new section backwards towards the previous section, so my lengths increase vertically. Once I reach the top of the roundness of the head, I then continue into the back using diagonal sections closer towards the vertical. Once the hair has been dried, I then start with my scissor over comb technique. Working in columns from the front hairline, and make sure that my scissors and comb are moving in unison, so that way I don't create any lines within my work. As I reach towards the back of the zone, I make sure that my comb is away from the head, so my lengths increase horizontally. On the hairline, I start with my scissor no comb technique. My aim is to expose more of Beth's scalp and blend it into the longer lengths on the roundness of the head. I am working methodically in columns towards the front hairline, making sure to rest the top blade of my scissors against the scalp and only moving the bottom blade so I get a seamless fade. Using the tips of the scissors to detail and fade the hairline. Using the same process behind the ear, being mindful not to disturb the longer lengths that are groomed away. Gently using the trimmers to remove any excess hair on the hairline. Finally using a barbering comb for a seamless fade. Moving into the back, I use vertical sections and I cut a length that is shorter internally and longer externally. My movement of sections is meeting in the middle, so my horizontal lengths are staying consistent. Through the top, I am cutting a length that is shorter in the back and increasing towards the front, using the previously cut hair in the back as a guide. My lengths horizontally are staying consistent, as I am using the same movement of sections as I did in the back. Once the hair has been diffuse dried, I detail the fringe with a slide cutting technique. Detailing the eyebrow with a line using the trimmer. Styling the hair loosely to give that natural just done effect. Here's the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
idea. And then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.